romantic page as the fire burns so low. Spirits infest my brain. I smudge away the evil. A distant stranger leers in smiling, leaving me upset and insane. Consumed by intellectual property, it starts to rain. Salacious prying eyes staring straight at me, leaving me anxious and in pain. Down where the river flows, an angel sings a song. A boat silently passes by the destination everyone knows. Spirits infest my brain. I smudge away the